Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today is May 20th. I'm going to show you how to thin pears in our pear tree. This is a bosque pear. You can see lots of pears came in, like it's kind of as example this branch about 20, 30 small pears. So it's like this is the first time we got too many pears in our tree. I think probably almost close to, I don't know, over 500 pears in this small tree. So I'm going to thin these pears because there are too many. Like as example, you see like so many pears here. What will happen if they are going to grow? It's gonna be heavy for these branches, and it's gonna break the branch, and also the pears will be smaller because all the nutrition goes to so many pears. So that means all the pears gonna be smaller. So what I'm going to do, remove all the small and unwanted pears, small pears, so that way the rest of the pears will be bigger and nicer and really tasty juicy pears. It's also to thin because there's so many pears, then it's easy to get fungus diseases and also insect problems. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this thinning process. So the other reason, because of too many pears here, the tree need to give all the nutrition to the old pears, so it's gonna weak the tree and stress out the tree. And what will happen then, next year there's no energy for tree to produce more pears, so then less pears next year. So that way when we thin this year, the next year will be the same pears coming up. So it's better to thin when lots of pears this year, then next year will be same amount of pears coming. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do it. So now I'm going to do the thinning. I will show you the process. So the first thing is like you need to remove these small pears like these ones. So just I'm going to leave one or two and remove the clusters because still June, sorry, because still May. In June is the pear trees start to fall pears naturally, so I don't want to lose lots of pears. So I'm going to leave two in a one section, like in a one cluster, so and keep the space in between like about 6 inches. So it's easy to remove these pears. You can just break this pear, small ones like this, see, it easily can break. So I'm gonna remove the small ones and leave big two for now. Okay, 1 2, and need to have a space in between two. These two are too small. You can do by hand very easily. I'm going to collect these pears in a bucket and put it into compost. So now you can see over here there are 3, so I don't need the 3, and so one little damage over here maybe, yeah, that's a good one. So I'm gonna remove this small 2 here. Okay, so now we have 2 here, 3, 1 here, and still little too much, but I'm gonna come and do one more time because in the natural process there will be some pears will be going to fall. So I'm going to remove this small one here. Okay, so now there are 3 here, and I'm going to remove these 2 small ones. Okay, and over here another one. So you can see the space between, they are a little bit about 6 inches. That's good. I'm gonna remove this small one. Okay, so I'm gonna continue like that. You can see so many pears here, so gonna be a little time taking to remove all the pears. Somehow it's necessary to do that, otherwise all the pears will be smaller and not good, and the other problem is gonna be too heavy for the branches. Also same way I'm going to do the apple tree thinning too. I'm gonna do another video about that one too. Thank you for watching. Also I want to show you that that natural process of thinning was already started. The tree already dropped some of the bad small pears over here. Somehow I want to continue thinning, because if I leave it for a longer, then the tree need more energy to feed these small pears, and eventually the tree spending so much energy for all the pears. So to avoid that one, I'm gonna thinning the tree.